So let me show you the settings that you need to use your BlackMagic camera on your smartphone device. So basically, when you download the BlackMagic camera, it's going to appear like this. So this size that is appearing is more like the YouTube format, okay? And since you're going to be recording most of your videos, like Instagram Reels and TikTok format, we need to change some settings. Just one time settings. You don't need to do much. Remember, you are still a beginner, so don't complicate things for yourself and don't try to do too much. So you're going to see here camera, media, chats, and settings. What you're going to click on is you're going to click on settings. So when you come to settings, you're going to see this codec. So you're going to change this codec from HEVC 265 to H264 is okay. You can leave the bitrate at high or you can change it to medium, you understand? But high is okay. And after you've done that, you come to your resolution. So for resolution, you're going to click on HD. You understand? You're going to click on HD and then you're going to pick this 1080 16:9. But maybe if you want to still maybe save your camera space a bit, you can go for 720p. But remember what I told us when I was teaching the how to record on your smartphone. I said the 1080p is good, okay? The 1080p is good. But even though for most social media pages like TikTok, Instagram Reels, they always most likely and most of the time prefer 720p. But remember, you're still going to be editing. You're still going to be editing. So if you do on 720p, editing might not really give you what you want, so just leave it at 1080p, you understand? So after that, this enable vertical video, you can turn it on. So when we turn it on, like this is what you need for now. Any other thing, don't touch it, don't confuse yourself, don't stress yourself. As a beginner, you're good like this. So once you've done that, you come to camera. You can now see that we have all the full screen compared to before when it was looking like that YouTube size. Let me come and show you what I mean. Look at here. Let's turn off this enable vertical video. Come back to camera. You can see that it's small. But coming back here, enable camera, enable vertical video. Come back, you can see that it's now large. So you can start recording. To record, you just press this middle button here. You can see that the video is recording up there. Now let me stop the recording. Now another thing you can do, you can see that I have my grid lines on. So if you want to have your grid lines on, click on this button here. You can see the grid line. If I want to turn it off, I can simply turn it off. You see it's off. If I want it back on, you simply turn it on. So the grid line is just to guide you on the area, the positioning of your subject, or where you want to position yourself in the camera, so that in case you're not able to understand where you want to stay, you don't really understand the positioning, the grid lines is going to guide you. You understand? So basically, this is the settings you need for now as a beginner. Don't complicate things for yourself, okay? As you go on, as you use the camera more, and as you advance in your content creation journey, you're going to know more settings to use. But for you as a beginner, don't complicate things for yourself. Just use these settings and you're good to go. So I'll see you guys in the next one.